she's one of our parking lot monitor room guards and also works the floor. So she sees the good and the bad on both ends. And she was also nominated by, well, two, Jelaine Marcus and Kurt Patton, both here. Looks like she's done two extraordinary things here. So I'll go through the first one here that, who wrote the first one? Okay, Jelaine. On 2/14/13, Security Officer Miranda Mester went above and beyond her job duties when she responded to a call in the B Woman's restroom for a possible medical. A female guest in a wheelchair was in need of assistance. The female was disoriented, and once Miranda helped her into the stall, the guest was not about to lower her pants and use the facilities. With the guest's permission, Miranda assisted the guest with this and helped her return to the wheelchair. Miranda stayed with this guest and even assisted her with washing her hands. Now that was the first one. Now Kurt Patton nominated her on this. This is another incident here. Earlier this month, on February 9th, 2013, Miranda again assisted a guest in the parking lot. It was the day after we had a large snowstorm. A guest had parked the night of the storm, and where the snowplows could not remove snow, the guest car was snowed in and stuck. Miranda stopped and tried to push the car out. When the car would not move, Miranda went into the casino and got a snow shovel. She then returned to the guest and shoveled all the snow out from around the car. With the assistance of two other security officers, Miranda was able to get the guest out and on her way. These are just two examples of how Miranda provides an outstanding guest service. Thank you, Miranda.